Hi, this is Gary Lee Stanley, your insurance agent. Hey, we're going to have a conversation briefly about one of the types of policies that I sell. This is called mortgage protection. Mortgage protection is a very, very big business these days because we have so many people who own homes. See, one of the big issues that we have a lot of times is when we own a home, people pass away. And a lot of times it's unexpected. So if you have a plan that's in play, and you're able to pay down the mortgage or have funds available for you to be able to figure out what you're going to do, your family is in a much better position. If you think about it, mortgage protection is a guarantee. Now, you can be alive and be able to take advantage of this mortgage protection too. It is fluid. That means you can carry this from you from house to house. It's not on the house, it's on you. So your family can do what they will with the money once something happens. Now, again, a living benefit would be if you had it for 10, 20, 30 years and you've been paying on a whole life policy, your family can also use those funds to be able to maybe buy a dream home, a boat. Maybe you want to pay off college for your kids. Maybe you want to go ahead and pay a down payment for a child to be able to get a home. There's so many different benefits that you can use your money for because you socked it away. You used the money properly. You spent the time to make sure that your investment was covered. You're important and you matter. Remember this one thing. Everybody dies. We just don't know when. Smart people pre-plan. That means you plan before there's an issue. Why do you think you have insurance on your house if it burns down? How come if you have insurance on your car if you get in a car accident? Those things are ifs. But see, in reality, everybody dies. So if you have a policy that's in place, it's giving you the opportunity and a platform to be able to be prepared when something does happen. I've just seen it so many times where people didn't have any insurance. The family had to move out of their home. They were the kids were uprooted from good schools. People were just upset. Now, if they would have had that edge and had that little bit of money for the parents to be able to figure out what they needed to do, they would have been in a much, much better place. My simple job is to make sure that you get mortgage protection to go ahead and cover you and your family so that when something does happen, and it will, that you do not have to worry and your family doesn't have to suffer. Because I know that's not what you want to do, is let your family suffer. I know you do everything to make them feel good and love on them as best you can. So go ahead and buy some protection. That means that you have done something right. You've left a legacy and your family will appreciate it. This is for everybody, for men and women. Because believe it, whoever the breadwinner is, they will be missed. If somebody dies, it's a really hard time. And we want to make sure that when this hard time comes, there's no more pain that has to be behind it, except for the pain that you feel in your heart because of the void. Go ahead and get some insurance. Talk to me. My name is Gary Lee Stanley. My telephone number is 904-662-8933. You're important and you matter. Make sure that you have insurance before you die. It's just the right thing to do. And you have a great day. This is my son, Dom.
Hey guys, how you doing?
That's my best friend. He helps me to be an awesome dad. And yes, we do have insurance on both of us. It's important. You matter. Thank you.